This thing works.
Turn it on and then it'll work.
The pad.
Mum, how come you didn't have to work there?
Okay. Ah, here we go. No.
Fucking...
Would you like me to show you how to work the vacuum?
Please.
You plugged it in, right?
Yeah, plugged it in.
Let's just step on that, it's supposed to work.
No, don't.
That's not a button. How come none of us know how to work this?
Fucking hate the sound of back.